Welcome to Pip Insight, Monday 20th of July, Asian pre-open. Our engine tracks 27 markets every morning on pipinsight.co.uk, and this session we have selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 4 showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, dollar, yen, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: pound dollar, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, let's get into it. Gold is trading at $4,031, heading into the Asian pre-open, and the overall bias here is neutral with a weak lean. The structure tells the story. After a sharp 2-day sell-off from around $4,089 down to $3,963 on July 16th, price has been slowly grinding its way back higher. We're now sitting just above the H4 EMA 20 at 4,022, but still well below the EMA 50 at 4049, which has been acting as a ceiling on the H4 chart. That $4048 to $4065 zone is the resistance cluster to watch. It's where price topped out before that aggressive drop, and it's the next real structural test overhead. To the downside, the $3,995 to $4,010 area served as the recovery base after the midweek spike low, so any pullback into that zone carries significance. Worth noting, price gapped higher overnight into $4,028 to $4,031, leaving a price void below that could attract attention if early momentum fades. On the fundamental side, there are no high-impact US releases scheduled today, which keeps the macro picture relatively quiet. That could mean lower volatility and range-bound conditions, with price likely respecting those technical boundaries more closely. Watch 4,048 parlors on the top side and 4 through 10 on any pullback into the session. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 1.1477 and 1.1484. Support is marked between 1.1417 and 1.143. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.3474 and 1.3482. Support is marked between 1.3427 and 1.3432. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 162.52 and 162.55. Support is marked between 162.1 and 162.15. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8085 and 0.8089. Support is marked between 0.8032 and 0.8046. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5861 and 0.5866. Support is marked between 0.5837 and 0.5846. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4038 and 1.4053. Support is marked between 1.3985 and 1.4. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We brought you the day's clearest charts from the 27 markets we track daily. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Our flagship analysis publishes every weekday before the London Open, with all 27 markets broken down on pipinsight.co.uk. Follow us on X at ForexXinsight for updates. See you next time.